To simplify the rational expression, we need to factor the numerator and the denominator and check for common factors that we can cancel out. So let's start with the numerator. So we always check for a GCF. There is no GCF to factor out in the numerator. So next we have a trinomial, 3 terms. So we need to set up our trinomial. So 2 times negative 12 is negative 24. So we need 2 numbers that will multiply to give us negative 24 and add to give us negative 5. So let's use 8 and 3. And we need to get negative 5 by adding. Let's make that negative 8. So we're going to rewrite that middle term, negative 5x, using negative 8x plus 3x minus 12. So now we're going to factor by grouping. We group the first pair and the last pair. The GCF in the first pair is 2x. When we factor that out, we'll have x minus 4. The GCF in the second pair is 3. When we factor that out, we have x minus 4. So now our factored form is just 2x plus 3 times x minus 4. So that's going to go in the numerator. Now let's factor the denominator. So we need to get 2 numbers that will multiply to give us negative 24 and add to give us 2. Since negative 24 it's a negative number, so we're going to have different signs. We're going to start with x and x because our leading term is x squared. The leading coefficient is a 1. And so our 2 numbers will be positive 6 and negative 4. So that would be in the denominator. Now once we've factored everything, we now look for common factors that will cancel out. And the top and bottom both have x minus 4. So the final answer will just be 2x plus 3 over x plus 6.